In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add answers on Microsoft Forms. Whether you're creating a questionnaire, a quiz, or a survey, knowing how to effectively add and manage answers is a crucial step in designing an engaging and useful form. Microsoft Forms makes this process straightforward, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through each step clearly and concisely. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, type Microsoft Forms into your search engine. You're looking for the official Microsoft Forms link, so make sure you click on that to ensure a seamless experience. Microsoft Forms is a web-based app, which means you'll need an internet connection, and you can access it from any browser or device. As you land on the Microsoft Forms homepage, you'll need to sign in. Use your Microsoft account details to access the platform. If you're already signed in to other Microsoft services, it may automatically recognize your login, which can save you a bit of time. Once you're in, you have the option to open an existing form that you've worked on before, or you can start fresh by creating a new form. For today's demonstration, feel free to choose either option, as adding answers applies in both scenarios. Now, we're ready to add some questions and answers. At the top of your screen, you'll find the option labeled Add New. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear displaying various question types. For our purposes, select the choice question type. This is typically used for multiple-choice queries, making it quite versatile for surveys and quizzes. With the choice question template loaded, you'll see a field where you can enter your main question. Type in your question clearly, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible for your participants. Below the question field, you'll notice the options field. This is where you begin adding potential answers to your question. Start by typing your first answer choice. To add more choices, look for the plus add option button. Click on it and continue adding your desired number of options. If you're working on a quiz and need to identify the correct answer, simply look for the check mark next to the correct option. Click on it to mark the correct answer. This allows the form to automatically grade any quizzes. Sometimes, you might want to give your respondents the freedom to input their own answer. To do this, switch on the other option toggle. This feature is perfect for when you want to capture additional insights that you might not have thought of. Lastly, if you wish to allow your respondents to select more than one answer, don't forget to select the multiple answers option found at the bottom of the question. This enables users to check multiple boxes, expanding the scope of feedback they can provide. With these steps, you're now equipped to add answers effectively using Microsoft Forms. Happy form building!